Hello there, Year 1. How are you today? Did you enjoy the maths lesson yesterday? It was really fun about 3D shapes, wasn't it? Before we start our lesson today, I've got some questions I want you to answer. Get ready. Here are my questions. Here are 3 what? Number 2, compare. What symbol is missing? Number 3, what shape is the cylinder? Can you tick it for me or point to it? And number 4, which one does? Pause the video here and have a go at answering those questions. Did you have a go? Brilliant. Okay. Number 1, here are 3 cones. Now the symbol that was missing, there's 1, 2, 3 pyramids on the one side and 1, 2, 3 cubes on the other. They are the same. This was the symbol that was missing, the same as. This shape is the cylinder. Did you get that one? Now, which one doesn't belong? I can see 3 spheres, so it must be the egg. Well done. Okay, let's get ready to start our lesson now. We're going to be thinking about sorting our shapes. We're going to be thinking about what's the same and what's different. I wonder if you can remember any of the names of the shapes from yesterday. Let me show you some shapes. Can you remember the name of this one? That's right, it was a pyramid. And can you remember the name of this one? I'm not sure if we looked at this one yesterday. This is a triangular prism. Here's a cuboid, cylinder, a cuboid, a cone, that's right. Do you remember this one? Yes, that's it. It was a cone, a cube, sorry. Here's our pyramid again. Another cone. Oh, what was this one called? A sphere, that's correct. Another cylinder, sphere, cube, and our triangular prism. Well done. I'm going to have a go at sorting them now. First, we're going to sort our shapes by cone, cylinder, and cube. Here are our shapes. Let's have a look. The cone is in this one. The cylinder goes in this one. And the cube goes into this one. There are lots of shapes there, isn't there? Should we sort them together? Where would this one go? That's right, here in the cube place. This one, the cone. Brilliant, it would go there. Oh, we've got another cube. Which one did that go in? Excellent, into this one here. We've got a cylinder now. In the middle it goes, well done. We've got our 2 cones, 2 cylinders, and lastly our cube. Well done for sorting there. You did a great job. Okay. Sorting my shape. We've got cone, cylinder, and cube again. There was our cone. There's our cylinder. This is our cube. Different shapes. Look at these. You might find at home. I want you to pause the video here and I want you to have a think how you would sort these shapes. Where would they go? Did you have a think? Well done. Let's start with that can of beans. What shape is our can of beans? It's a cylinder. Let's pop it in there. Then we've got the birthday present. Is the birthday present a cone shape or a cube shape? Right, it's a cube shape. Oh, we've got a delicious cheesecake. That's Mrs. Hunt's favourite. Would that be a cone, cylinder or cube? It is a cylinder. Well done, you got that. Next we have a dice. Would I put that in the cone or the cube section? I would. I'd put it in the cube. Well done. Let's have a look at the tip of a pencil. Where would that go? Cone or cylinder? Yes, go into the cone shape. Well done. And we've got a tube of crisps. Cone or cube? A tube of crisps. That's right, it's a cylinder shape. Fantastic. And our last one, that delicious, I think there might be a clue in the name, ice cream cone. It would go in the cone shape. Well done. You did some great sorting there, year one. Okay. Now I have some more shapes. I have a sphere to sort. I have a pyramid to sort. And I have a cuboid to sort. I wonder if you could help me. The sphere would go in here. The pyramid would go here. And the cuboid would go here. Oh, I wonder if you can help me sort these other shapes. Pause the video here, have a talk with the person in the room and see if you could sort them. How did you get on? Are you ready to sort? Let's go. Where would this one go? That's right, it's a pyramid. It goes here. Can you see they look the same? Oh, now I've got this one here. Oh, is it a sphere or a cuboid? It is a sphere. Well done for noticing. Oh, now I've got this one. It's a bit tricky. That's right, it's a cube. Well done. Let's have a think now. We've got our two spheres, our two pyramids, and our two cuboids. Well done. Great sorting, year one. I have some more shapes I'd like you to sort for me. I have the sphere, the pyramid, and the cuboid. Have a look at my shapes now and pause the video and talk about where you would think they would go. Did you have a think? Brilliant. So let's look at my first shape. I've got a stack of cuboids, but they make a cuboid shape. Let's pop them over there. The next one's a football. Is that a pyramid or is it a sphere? Yes, it's a sphere. Well done. My next one is a beautiful pyramid. That's right. I've then got a box of juice. That's a cuboid shape, isn't it? Fantastic. The next one's a tennis ball. That's a sphere shape. My last one is a pyramid. That's correct. Now we're going to sort in a different way now. We're going to sort by colour. I have some shapes, but they are different colours. I have blue coloured shapes and I have brown coloured shapes. I'm going to ask you to have a look at my shapes, pause the video here and talk about what shapes would go in the blue circle and what shapes would go in the brown circle. Pause the video now. Okay, should we have a go at sorting them now? Let's see. Let's put all the blue ones into the blue circle. Now let's put all the brown ones into the brown circle. Oh dear, what have I done? I've put two shapes in the wrong circles. Can you help me? Oh, the brown shape that I've put in the blue circle, what shape is that? That's right, it's a cylinder. And the blue shape I've put in the brown circle, what shape is that? Excellent, it's a cone. Well done. You're really good at sorting. Let's swap them over. Now, I want you to pause the video here and have a go at question 1 and 2 on the worksheet. Welcome back, Year 1. Let's move on. Now, we're going to sort in another way now. We're going to sort to see if our shapes stack or do not stack. I have a selection of shapes here. The first shape we're going to look at is the cube. Do you think that shape stacks or does not stack? You're right, it does stack. Look at my stack of cubes. Well done. The next shape we're going to have a look at is the sphere. Do you think that stacks or does not stack? Let's see. Oh, it doesn't stack, does it? The sphere does not stack. My next shape is my cuboid. Does my cuboid stack or not stack? That's right, it does stack. Look at my stack of cuboids. Brilliant. Let's try the cylinder now. Does my cylinder stack this way? Oh, it doesn't, does it? It rolls off. It doesn't stack that way. But watch this. If I turn my cylinder this way, will my cylinder stack now? Yes, it does. Well done. Have a look. Brilliant. I've got 2 more shapes left. My next shape is my pyramid. Do you think my pyramid will stack? It didn't stack. I'm going to show you something that might make you be amazed. Watch this. I can put my pyramid on top of my cubes. It then stacks. Now I've got my cone. Do you think my cone will stack? Didn't. I wonder though if my cone will fit on top of any of these stacks of shapes. Yes, look, it can go on top of my cylinders. Fabulous. Now we're going to have a think about sorting our shapes to see if they roll or do not roll. Okay, let's have a think. I want you to pause the video here and talk to the person in the room and decide, does the 3D shape roll or not roll? Hello, how did you get on with that one? Should we see if the shapes that you picked roll or do not roll? Let's have a look. The cone, that one can roll. Did you get that one? But the cuboid, that doesn't roll, does it? The cylinder rolls. Fantastic. Oh, what about the pyramid? And the cube does not roll. The pyramid doesn't roll either. I wonder if the sphere does. Yes, it does. Well done. It's your turn now to have a go at the questions 3 and 4 on the worksheet. This is where I leave you now, Year 1, but I look forward to seeing your work at the end of the day. Have fun!